What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm actually in Columbia, South Carolina. Well, Lexington, South Carolina. I'm at an IAA auction and we're picking two vehicles up here, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, guys. So we actually got this Corolla here. Sweet little Corolla. I wonder what's wrong with it. It don't look like anything's wrong with it, honestly. Oh, there it is. Yeah, to go on the other side. Yeah, but it's not too bad. Probably get a couple doors, get some body work right there, new fender. That'd be fine. Make sure that's closed. We don't want that stuff flying off. I think I'm gonna put this one in the middle, and then I have a Land Rover I think I'm gonna put in the back over the axles, just so the weight is transferred evenly. Stop it. That's one. Hopefully the door don't open. I think it's stuck on there pretty good though. Very good. Back up just a little bit, back up. There you go. Well, bring it up. Alright, thank you. Alright, so we got these suckers loaded up. Now I gotta grab my straps and get these strapped down. Oh, my straps are wet because it was raining yesterday. It was pouring yesterday, so these straps got all wet. Both vehicles are on the trailer. I wish I had a third one coming out of here, but I can't seem to find one, so I'm just taking these two. So let's get out of here. All right, It actually is a very beautiful day outside today, and it's actually one of the nicest days we had in a long time. It's been really cold outside, guys, and I'm not much of a cold weather guy. I love the warm weather. I love the summer. What's the weather like where you're at right now? Leave it in the comment section below. But yeah, so now we gotta drive about 2 hours back to Charlotte. So let's get it, let's get on the road. It's actually getting super hot outside, and I'm out here in freaking Crocs and sweats. I should have just put shorts on this morning, but I wasn't thinking. But that is a plus, that the weather is getting beautiful outside. I freaking love it. Let's go ahead and check if these cars start. I gotta go ahead and drop this Corolla off here, and then this Land Rover is gonna be dropped about another 10 minutes down the road. But look at the windshield on this thing, guys. All right, hopefully this thing starts. If not, we're gonna have to jump it off. And it is dead. Okay. Let's go check if the Corolla turns on. It's actually pretty hard with one hand. I'm trying to Tarzan myself around here. Let's not cut our fingers on this glass. Something hit this windshield pretty bad. I wonder what it was. That's crazy. But it doesn't look like the damage was too bad. Could have been worse. Let's check if this sucker starts. If not, we're gonna have to take out the jump box and jump both of these off. Let's check this one out. This one seems like it has some type of power. Let's see. The freaking dash is so foggy, like, how do you even get that out? Like, I don't know. Alright, this sucker turned on. That's what I'm talking about. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and grab some cables and jump that other one off. So go ahead and grab some cables and jump this one off. I'll pick you guys right back up as soon as I got these off the trailer. All right, got the cables on. Looks like the screen turned on. Let's see if that actually turn over. Okay. All right. We're on to something. Alright guys, so I actually went ahead and loaded that Range Rover back up on the trailer, as you guys can see. And then I have this Corolla right here. We're gonna go ahead and turn this thing in here. The damage actually doesn't look too bad. It looks very repairable. It looks like it's just a door fender, maybe a little bit of body work. But apart from that, everything looks pretty clean. Interior just needs a little detail, but not too bad. Let's go ahead and turn this. Let's go ahead and turn this sucker in. Oh, this is gonna be hard because it has this wheel thing on it. Oh man. Let's see how I do this. All right, so I'm managing to get out of here in reverse just because this is actually messing with my turning radius. I can only turn right. I mean left. Now if I want to turn right. This is all I can go. This is all the right turn I can go because of this freaking wire. I don't have no freaking snips to go ahead and cut them. But it's alright, we just need to go ahead and take a left turn. What's up all this traffic in here? I'm trying to get in, people. I'm trying to get in. Move, get out the way, get out the way. Go ahead and drop this Range Rover off. I took it off the trailer. I haven't dropped it off just yet, but you get what I'm saying. I took it off the trailer. We're gonna go ahead and deliver it. Hopefully it doesn't turn off on us, because this didn't need to be jumped off. And the thing is that it has this cable, and if I turn, it turns the key, and then it'll turn it off. So I'm gonna try to do this as safe as possible, because I really don't want to be left on the side of the road and have to jump it again. Well, on this one I was actually able to take it off the ring, but the actual Corolla, the one that we just dropped off, it was in the key, like the actual key loop. So that makes my job way easier, and it won't turn off on us. It won't turn the key when I try to turn now. Thank you, IAA. Good morning, guys. As you guys can see, we got the old Beansky here. It's currently the next morning, and I was gonna go ahead and edit this video and just upload it for you guys, but nah, I was like, it's gonna be too short, so I wanted to go ahead and extend it just a little bit more. And I wanted to go over something with you guys. So we actually just got this lift, went ahead and installed it. As you guys can see, we just went ahead and put in the studs into the concrete, because this thing was up for a while without those studs, and it was just like scary. I thought it was gonna fall, but yeah, we just went ahead and put these arms on it. We need to find the actual pads where the car will sit on. And then apart from that, we need to figure out where all these cables hook up to. I think they hook up to something in there, but we're getting there. And then we just need to hook up the power. Hopefully this works. I'm not 100% sure, because this is a used setup, as you guys can see. The guy that we got it from said it was working, but there's only one way to find out, and that's hooking it up. Gotta clean all these leaves out of here, because we did have it laying on the ground for a while. But I'm excited it's up. Super excited. What I'm gonna do is, I think what I'm gonna do today is go to Home Depot, see if I can get an outlet for that, because I think that's like a 220 or something like that. You guys are electricians, you guys know everything, so let me know what kind of outlet that is. And finish hooking this thing up. If you guys know exactly what this is for, let me know in the comment section below. We got this fire up here, but I'm not sure exactly what these two cables are for. Apart from that, everything else is pretty much straightforward. I think I'll figure out where to put these cables, but I'm super excited, because you know what this means? No more working on the freaking ground, guys. So one problem that I always have, it's not really a problem, I feel like everybody has this problem, but I would have to jack, to take off the wheels off the dually, I would have to jack each side up. Same thing goes for the Beamer. I would have to jack each side up just to take every wheel off, and that takes time. That really, like, sometimes you think that you're gonna rotate your tires in 20 minutes. With a jack, it takes about like an hour, bro. Maybe a little bit quicker, but you get what I'm saying. It just takes a lot longer, and with the lift, it's gonna be a game changer, guys. A freaking game changer. I did want to go over the RX-7 with you guys too, because a lot of you guys have been asking me about the RX-7, and here she is, guys. So let me go ahead and explain to you what's going on. I actually went ahead and took the motor out, as you guys can see. Transmission cylinder. I'm really debating if I should get that rebuilt and put it back in there, or I can go ahead and put this 5.3 LS that I have in there. It's covered under here. I just got it covered so no water gets to it. But yeah, that's pretty much the two decisions I have right now, and I'm leaning more to put an LS in there just because of the reliability aspect of it. I want that car to crank up every single time and be able to slide it. That's pretty much what I want to do with that car. I want to build a drift car with that. probably keep a stock body for a while and then put over fenders maybe in like 2 years after I'm done with it, because since it is a right hand drive, I would hate to freaking cut into this body, honestly. Like, I don't know, but this car right here is stuck in the middle right now. Not sure exactly what we're gonna do with it, but let me know what you guys think I should do. God, can't wait to be driving this thing. I want to hop in it and crank it up, guys. Like, I'm so freaking, I want to get it done, but it's just so hard. If I do go LS, there's still a lot of parts that I'm missing, like motor mounts, harness, ECU, what else? Oh, the adapter plate, because I do have a LS 5.3 that's gonna bolt onto a 300ZX transmission, and I need the adapter plate for that. Yeah, so it's still a work in progress, but just wanted to go ahead and give you guys a quick little update on what's going on with everything and all the little projects. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys, so you guys know exactly when I post. Go ahead and check the merch on the website. I'm gonna leave it in the description below. But yeah, you get the trucker 122 hats, the ones that say blessed on it, hustle to motivate, and then you can also get the Southside Steppin'. Let me put this down. But yeah, you get the T, the one that says Southside Steppin' vertically, and then you get the hustle to motivate on the back. That's pretty much our motto, guys. Hustle to motivate. That's why I make these videos, and motivate you guys to keep going. Let's get it. It's 2024 and we're gonna kill it this year. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers. So I'll see you guys in the next video.